With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question we have is, consider the following complex. Okay, so this is the given complex. It is a kind of inner orbital complex. Okay, so we have to find out the oxidation number, the number of d electrons, number of unpaired d electrons on the relation, and number of isomers. Okay, so we have to find out 4 things regarding this complex, that is oxidation number, number of d electrons, number of unpaired d electrons, and number of isomers. Okay, so we will do it one by one. Okay, so it is given that it is a kind of inner orbital complex. Okay, so its hybridization will be d2sp3. Okay, so now the first step is to find oxidation number. Okay, so to find oxidation number, let this complex be this. Okay, NO2 twice. So let for this chromium it be X. Okay, and for this ammonia, okay, it is 0. For this it is -1. Okay, so to find out oxidation number, 1 plus 0 multiplied by 4, 0 plus -1 multiplied by 2, that is -2. Okay, it is equals to 0 because this is a neutral species. So from here this X is equals to +2. So the oxidation number for this chromium, it is +2. So now next we have to find out the number of d electrons. Okay, so to find out the number of d electrons, we have this chromium, it is in +2 oxidation state. Okay, so that means from chromium we have to remove 2 electrons, that is chromium with atomic number 24. Okay, it have 3d4 4s2. Okay, so now we have to remove these 4 electrons. So in d subshell we are left with 4 electrons. Okay, so the number of d electrons are 4. So now further we have to find out number of unpaired d electrons. Okay, so now basically this ammonia, okay, it is a strong field ligand, that is it will promote pairing. Okay, when this chromium, okay, it will further split into these orbitals. Okay, that is this T2G level and this is EG level. Okay, so now on filling these 4 electrons in the d orbital, okay, as this is a strong field ligand, so it will support pairing. So 1 will be paired and we are left with 2. Okay, so the number of unpaired electrons we have is 2 electron. Okay, so now moving on to the last, that is number of isomers. Okay, so to find out the number of isomers, we will draw the isomer structure, that is number of isomers. Okay, so for that the first we have is simply with respect to this NO2, okay, that is cis and trans structure, so that we will draw like this. Okay, so first we will draw the cis structure. So for cis structure we have 4 ammonia, so they will be kept in the same side. Okay, and 2 NO2 group, okay, they will be kept on the same side like this. So this is the cis structure. Okay, and to draw the trans, now these NO2, these will be kept diagonally like this. Okay, so now all we have is this NH3, okay, NH3, NH3 and NH3. Okay, so this is the trans structure. Okay, now further moving on, further this cis and trans, this was with respect to NO2. Okay, and this NO2, okay, it is a ambidentate ligand. Okay, because it can donate from both sides, that is N as well as O, or we can say that it can bond from the both sides. Okay, so further 2 structures can be formed like this, cis with respect to NO2, okay, and trans with respect to ONO. Okay, or we can say that next cis with respect to ONO, okay, and trans with respect to ONO. Okay, So now we can say that these have 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 6 isomers. Okay. So this is the solution to this question, that is oxidation number is +2. Okay. Number of d electrons are 4. Number of unpaired electrons are 2 and the number of isomers are 6.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.